After looking at our results, we can now make some conclusions based on this study. It was found that 7 different parameters are contributing factors to the development of hypothyroidism. But the major finding of the study is that TSH values are higher with a higher fluoride concentration in the drinking water. And we know that an increased TSH production indicates an underactive thyroid. This phenomenon is an issue because 27 years ago, the Iranian government adopted a program that integrated iodized salt into the Iranian diet. However, this case study shows that this program was ineffective for the population. There was a positive direct relationship between water consumption and TSH levels, which indicates that the water has an effect on developing hypothyroidism. The authors of this study proposed a solution, which was the implementation of water purification methods, such as filters, reverse osmosis, to protect the individuals from developing an impaired thyroid gland. There were some sources of error during the process of this study. For one, the subjects selected for the cases and control groups had different age ranges. The cases were aged from 20 to 60, while controls were aged 20 to 7 years old. And studies have shown that age makes a difference with the development of hypothyroidism. The older one individual is, the higher the risk they have for developing hypothyroidism. Therefore, this difference in age ranges can affect the results. Another limitation is that this study utilized cluster sampling, which is known to be the least representative of the population in terms of demographics, if we're applying it to this study specifically. This study limits the application to the Yazd greater area in Iran. More studies must be conducted in other parts of the world, as ethnicity and race will affect the results. The next limitation is the 2 fluorine level ranges used in the study. So the levels of 0 to 0.29 and the 0.3 to 0.5. These values are usually known to be low when comparing to the limit set by the World Health Organization. This limit is 1.5 as the concentration. So another area in Iran could have been selected that possibly had these values that exceeded the threshold for more significant results in the end. There's also an assumption in this study that your location was limited to only one specified concentration of fluoride. Looking at the map generated in the GIS, the locations were very close in proximity, which makes it possible for the individuals to have been exposed to other kinds of fluoride values. So above mentioned the factors that contribute to limitations of the study. For future scientists wanting to conduct this study, these are definitely things that they should be aware of.